She was born in Louisville, steel in her spine. Ran south through the bourbon and the long-lived pine. Cold as sunrise, Rivertown rain carried Dixie's sorrow and Chicago's gain. From the Cumberland curve to the Gulf Coast tide, whistle like a preacher with the throttle wide. Iron on iron, hear that engine cry. Climb aboard, child, we're rolling tonight. Tickets punched in a worn-out vest, timetables folded in a Sunday best. From the Highlands down to the Mason line, we're riding that old L&N line. Oh, L&N, let your big wheels spin from the Drew Pratt's Hills to Mobile again. Steel guitar humming in a telegraph when we're chasing the ghosts of where you've been. Black smoke rising like a hymn through the hollers and the Delta Bend. Hear that whistle roll through time. Long live the L&N line. Coal out of Harlan seam, tobacco, timber, and a soldier's dream. Streamline is shining in the southern sun. Pan American on the run, freight yard lantern swing and sway. Switchman's prayer at the break of day. Every milepost tells a tale, stamped in rust and iron. Rail from Nashville nights to New Orleans, through Appalachian evergreen. Signals glowing red then green on that L&N machine. Oh, L&N, let your big wheels spin from the Blue Pratt's Hills to Mobile again. Steel guitar humming in a telegraph when we're chasing the ghosts of where you've been. Black smoke rising like a hymn through the hollers and the Delta Bend. Hear that whistle roll through time. Long live the L&N line. Now the logo's changed and the paint's moved on, folded into lines where the old flags are gone. But under CSX, blue and yellow shine still beats that Louisville and Nashville line. You can hear it in the rail joints singing, every passing freight slow thundering. History hums in welded steel, and every mile we still can feel. Oh, L&N, let the memory spin from the Cumberland Gap to the Gulf again. Every boxcar rolling violin carries the world you carry then. Robots